Hi library families, it's Miss Sarah from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. Thank you for joining me today for our STEAM video. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math, and I'm going to show you one of our robotics kits that can help support STEAM learning at home. This is a Lego WeDo kit. So each kit comes with a certain amount of pieces and they all go in these little trays here. They're all labeled so they're easy to find within the lid, and underneath are all of the important pieces like the different motors, the battery pack, wheels, and other things like sensors that are fun. The Lego WeDo kits use the Lego WeDo Education App, and there are plenty of different things to build. So I'm just going to build Milo, the Mars rover. As you see, it gives you a step-by-step instructions of how to build him. And this is what Milo looks like when he is all completed and put together. So next I'll show you how to get him set up on the app and how he can drive. So this is the WeDo Education App, and we're just gonna click on the plus sign to start a new project. And this is our block-based coding right here. All the different pieces along the bottom do something different. Everything has to snap onto this play signal, just kind of like a Lego brick itself. So I just have him going at a speed of 5 and changing the color. So once you're ready, you can just hit the play button and watch him drive. Thank you so much for joining me for today's STEAM video. You can borrow this kit at the library if you'd like to explore at home some more, and we hope to see you soon. Bye!